Fog Chamber Beauty Cucumber Pith Mist, a natural skin treatment. Have you ever thought about the part of a cucumber you casually scoop out and toss in the bin? As it turns out, that's exactly where the highest concentration of active skincare compounds is found. Cucumber has long been a staple of DIY skincare, and for good reason. With a water content of 95 to 96%, plus vitamin C, vitamin K, and a range of antioxidants, it's no surprise that cucumbers have been a go-to ingredient for homemade face masks. That said, hydration and moisture retention are the effects most consistently backed up. Brightening and reducing dark circles, those results tend to vary from person to person. And if applied incorrectly, cucumber treatments can actually leave skin feeling tight and looking dull. What most people don't realize is that different parts of the cucumber have very different nutritional profiles. The skin is the most nutrient-dense layer, concentrating vitamin K, vitamin A, antioxidants, and various phytochemicals. The flesh has the highest water content, making it the primary source of hydration. And the pith, that soft inner tissue surrounding the seeds, is the most juice-rich part of all. Yet it's the part most people scoop out without a second thought. Research suggests that the pith actually contains the highest concentrations of polyphenols, flavonoids, protein, and pectin in the entire fruit, along with the highest acidity. In other words, the part that ends up in the bin may be the most valuable part for your skin. Flavonoids, sometimes called vitamin P, are water-soluble natural compounds with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that offer meaningful protection for the skin. Pectin, meanwhile, supports skin hydration and repair. The two most common ways to use cucumber on skin each come with their own limitations. Blending it into a paste allows you to mix in honey or other ingredients, but fresh cucumber paste spoils quickly without preservatives, and making it fresh every time is simply too much hassle. Slicing it thin is easy and gives decent coverage on flat surfaces, but it can't conform to the contours of the face. The hollows and curves get left out. In Western countries, cucumber facial mist has been popular for years, cucumber juice in a spray bottle, with plenty of commercial products on the market. But sprays have a real drawback. Too much and your face is dripping wet, which is genuinely uncomfortable in winter. Too little and the coverage is uneven. So here's something different. Not a mask, not a spray, but putting your entire head inside a chamber filled with cucumber mist. The fog chamber itself is straightforward to build. Take an empty cooking oil drum, remove the base, fix a small towel over the opening as a curtain, and cut a viewing window in the side to double as a ventilation port. The base is removed so your head can fit inside and make full contact with the mist. The setup is flexible too. Lying down, the drum is placed on its side, and you slide your head in through the open end. Sitting up, the drum stands upright and is placed over your head from above. The ultrasonic nebulizer's wick is inserted directly into the cucumber pith. Through capillary action, it draws juice continuously from the pith, and a little from the surrounding flesh, into the ultrasonic transducer, which vibrates at high frequency to produce an extremely fine mist. Whether this process extracts intercellular fluid or ruptures cells to release their contents is, for now, an interesting open question. Because the mist droplets are heavier than air, they don't escape easily through the openings. As the concentration builds, visibility inside the chamber drops. The cucumber mist rolls and billows, filling the space completely. Compared to a spray bottle, the fog chamber produces far finer droplets that reach every surface of the face evenly, including the contours that masks and sprays simply can't get to. And because the humidity stays at a comfortable level throughout, there's no unpleasant feeling of water pooling on the skin. The researcher tried it firsthand, lying down with the chamber in place. As the cucumber mist slowly enveloped the face, the fresh, clean scent of cucumber filled the air, and somewhere along the way, full relaxation set in. Apparently, cucumber aroma has a genuine calming effect on the nervous system, an unexpected finding. One practical note, though, set an alarm before you start, otherwise you might wake up to find the nebulizer has run dry. As a new approach to skincare, Fog Chamber Beauty has plenty of room to develop. Different ingredients, adjusting mist concentration and duration, comparing results with and without the peel, and of course, tracking real effects over time. All of that is waiting to be explored.